Welcome to LitExtension. In this video, we'll show you how to run Wix migration using LitExtension app on Wix Market. Our automated tool requires no technical expertise, allowing you to migrate your store with confidence and ease. To get started, let's install the LitExtension Store Migration App on your Wix store. Head to the App Market in your Wix dashboard, search for LitExtension, and click Add to Site to add the LitExtension app to your Wix store. Once installed, you'll need to provide some basic information to help us support you during the migration process. After filling out the form, click Submit, and you're all set. You'll now be directed to the LitExtension migration dashboard. Let's walk through a sample migration, assuming you're moving from WooCommerce to Wix. For open source carts like WooCommerce, you have two options to connect your store. Either enter your username and password, or install the LitExtension connector in your store's root folder. If you're not sure how to set up the connector, no worries. Just click the YouTube icon in the dashboard for a step-by-step tutorial that walks you through the process. Once everything's ready, simply enter your source cart URL and you'll get a confirmation message letting you know the connection was successful. Or, if you're migrating from a hosted platform like Shopify, the process is slightly different. Now you'll need to obtain your Shopify API credentials. Don't worry, we provide a video tutorial right below to guide you through the process. Once you've got your API key, just fill in your source cart URL and the API key, and you're good to go. Now it's time to review the target cart connection. Since Wix is your target platform, the connection will be configured automatically. Once you're sure all the details are correct, click Next. Configure your migration to continue. Alright, now we're at the heart of the process, configuring your migration. Start with the Entities to Migrate section. You can select the data you want to transfer from your source store to Wix, such as products, customers, and orders, or click Select All to migrate everything. Next, you'll see several additional options to customize your migration. These are designed to make the process even smoother. Hover over each option to see a brief description of what it does. For example, there's an option to clear data on target store before migration. Be careful with this one, it will permanently delete any existing data in your Wix store for the selected entities. So, only choose this if you're absolutely sure it's what you want. Next, the language mapping feature automatically matches your source store's languages with those in your Wix store. And for your orders, you can use the Order Status Mapping option to align your existing statuses with those on the target store. This keeps everything neat and consistent. Once you've finished your selections, you have two options. Run a free demo migration with up to 20 entities each to test the process, or proceed directly to the full migration. However, we highly recommend running the demo to familiarize yourself with LitExtension and ensure everything works smoothly before migrating all of your data. When the demo is done, you can check the migrated entities on your Wix target store. If everything looks good, you're ready to move on to the full migration. Confirm your settings one last time, check the total cost, and proceed to the payment page. Once the payment is completed, your full migration will begin. Throughout the migration process, your store will remain open and fully functional. There's no downtime, so you won't miss a single sale. Our migration runs in the background, so there's no need to keep your browser on. Just sit back and relax. When the migration is finished, you'll receive an email notification. Simply click Check Result to view your newly migrated data in Wix. But wait, it doesn't stop there. We understand your source store might remain active with new orders or updates to product information during the migration. That's why we offer free post-migration support, including unlimited recent data migrations for entities under 5% within 60 days, unlimited smart updates within 90 days, and one free remigration for up to 500 entities after your full migration starts. For a fully managed experience, you can consider our all-in-one migration service, where our experts handle the entire process from start to finish. If you have any questions, suggestions, or need support, don't hesitate to reach out via support ticket or live chat. This is LitExtension, your trusted expert in data migration.